Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying showdown between two fantastic electric razors. On the left, we have the mighty Philips Norelco Shaver 3800, and on the right, we have the sleek SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor. Get ready for some clean-shaven action. Let's dive right in. All right, let's talk about the first category that matters to all of us, the price. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 comes in at a reasonable $79, while the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor offers a wallet-friendly price of just $59. That's a $20 difference. Now, let's move on to what really counts, the shaving performance. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 boasts 5-directional pivot, flex, and floating movements. It glides over your face like a dream, giving you a smooth and comfortable shave. On the other side, we have the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor with its flexible and smooth 7D floating head shaver. It's like a precision dancer on your skin, effortlessly capturing every hair for a close and efficient shave. All right, let's talk versatility. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 offers a convenient dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with gel or foam. Heck, you can even take it into the shower. But wait, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor takes versatility to the next level. It's not just a shaver, my friends. It comes with 5 replacement shaver heads, including a hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, massage brush, and a cleaning brush. It's like a circus act for your grooming needs. The battery life. A crucial factor for all busy bees out there. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 gives you a whopping 60 minutes of shaving time on a 1-hour charge. That's about 20 shaves. Now, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor offers 90 minutes of working time after just 1.5 hours of fast charging. Talk about efficiency. You can shave your way through a marathon with that kind of power. All right, let's wrap it up with some extra goodies. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 comes with a travel pouch, charging stand, power cord, and a protective cap. But hold your horses, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor offers an upgraded detachable shaving head for easy cleaning, an IPX7 waterproof design for wet and dry use, and even a Type-C quick charge. It's like a Swiss Army knife of grooming. The Philips Norelco Shaver 3800 and the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor, battling it out in the grooming arena. Both products have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, smart shoppers always compare and make informed decisions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this electrifying showdown. Until next time, stay sharp and keep buying smart.